to get to.
It's not that bad.
Bro, my car was so simple. It was 3 bolts holding up the whole exhaust.
Yeah, it looks like you made yours a lot more simple than mine, bro.
Extendo mag on me.
How many miles you got on the cat?
8,000.
Did you buy it brand new?
I bought it with 1,000 miles.
Yeah. How long have you had it?
Oh, dude, it's been almost 2 years.
2 years?
I've driven it a lot, bro.
Bro, 7,000 miles 2 years is nothing. Yeah.
I've already put more miles on the M5 than I have on the Hellcat.
I was using this for my downpipe.
The same one?
Mark, can you come hold this up?
Hold what?
Is this gonna fall on me?
No, it shouldn't. Now do this side real quick.
I love working on cars. So much. You're free.
If you can come in and you can take it out, like you're not leaving the car for more than a week, then yeah, you can use it.
Oh, there you go. No, that was this.
A little clamp.
It was this bolt right here, right?
Oh, yeah, you got the right one. You got the right one, Matt. Raph.
Yeah, it wasn't coming out though.
Because
was shaking it with my whole heart.
Because you have to push up first, and the reason why I wasn't going up, it's because of this. There you go. It unclips.
Oh. From the top?
No, from up there. There you go.
Nice.
That's missing. It blew up right there.
New exhaust. Man, we gotta put this all together. It's fun. This is Lego.
So you see how the valve is separated from the pipe?
Yeah.
So this one's literally made specifically for chargers. It hides inside the casting, literally. So it's gonna sit like this. It hides inside.
Nice.
So let's connect.
That's bad to you? That sounded good.
Bro, no, it's way too strong. It's a headache. Good?
Yeah, that was the perfect one right
Let me see
there.
it.
Oh, it went away.
Oh, attack this one.
That one right there. That's perfect.
I'll just tell you in a second.
No, for the YouTube video.
Oh, what is this? Oh, we're trying to figure out the adapter because this exhaust is made to go for a stock. Like it's made to connect to stock cats. Which, look over here, this is like a 2.5 inch. The cats I have on there are 3 inches. So this should be an adapter and this one should fit perfectly in here. If not, then I need a different adapter.
There we go.
So this will fit. That's it. We got it. See how it goes 2 or 3 inch? It goes from a 2.5 or I believe this is 2.5. Whatever, this exhaust is legit the same as the stock exhaust. Same. Yeah. Same sizes, same everything. This adapter will fit onto the aftermarket cats I have on. But if I didn't have this adapter and I had stock cats, this will fit perfectly in there. My side or is it the other side?
I think it's your side.
They're both struggling to go in.
Oh, I need some water though. It's still going more in there though.
I'm not gonna put it in just yet because I don't want to risk. So it's supposed to go in like this. We're almost there, Ruff.
Bro, where's the 13 boost?
Yeah, we're almost there, boys. Let's go.
Oh, I found it.
Raph, what does it look like right now from your angle? Does it look like it's in or no?
It's in, but like I think it could go more. But to be honest, that's what...
Okay, now that's in. And that one's coming out over here. Which can be so easily boosted. So I would definitely recommend taking this to shop first thing. Second thing is right now I'm just getting everything lined up before I screw anything in because there's a lot of room. So like the pipe, all these pipes can go in like another inch. But if I push them all the way in and then try to put this on, it won't fit. So basically that wiggle room, that's what we're playing around with. So I'm checking, making sure before I clamp everything that everything is looking good. There's no gap, there's no hole through the exhaust, so there's no exhaust leak. So right now everything looks good. All right, boys, so we got all the pipes in. Definitely need to take your time. Definitely need to hire someone because this is like honestly such a freaking hassle. But yeah, we got all the clamps in. Most of them should be freaking tight. And we're gonna try on the car. I made sure the valves work. They do. So we're gonna put the tips on and we're gonna see how it sounds. Rough, man. Not having a lift.
Post crash out right here.
Dude, not having a lift, bro, makes you humble yourself, man.
I need to hide myself from the mirror.
Struggle. But we saved $600.
Oh yeah.
How much?
$600.
Is that worth it?
Labor.
Kind of. I really hope the valves work. So boys, pretty much the first thing I noticed is that it's way more quieter, but it's still loud from the back, which is exactly what's up, boys? Dude, we got this new exhaust, full titanium Valvetronic exhaust, and it's the craziest thing. This is the first Valvetronic exhaust that Dodge Charger, like, I've been looking to buy one, and I got so tired of not being able to find one that I made my own. Like, I know you guys saw me do one like a year ago. I did a Valvetronic exhaust, right? But the things that was like, I welded it on and the valve was connected with the pipe. This valve is actually separate from the pipe, so it's like, dude, it's such a clean setup. And it's full titanium, which is even freaking better. And another thing I noticed, dude, it's more crispy now, which is kind of crazy, because like I thought my setup was like perfect, bro, but I did not know like having titanium pipes does that much of a difference. Like, I know titanium's stronger and stuff, but it actually makes it way more crispy. I posted some outside clips, and bro, it sounds so much more crispy, and the valves work better because it's separate. So it's not like going, the muffler's actually separate now, you know, which plays a huge role. So I'm hyped, boys. I'm so happy I was able to finally get a valve exhaust in California, and it's actually titanium, and it's actually built the way it's supposed to be built. Like, let's go, boys. I'm hyped. Oh my gosh. the tone, like it sounds so aggressive now. It kind of reminds me of like a Corsa exhaust. My friend has one. It sounds so similar. Holy moly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this installation video, man. This exhaust was harder to install just because I mean, dude, it's so like tight, and to get to the middle of the pipe was such a struggle. So I would always recommend doing this at a shop. Like, it's worth the price because you're gonna spend like 6 hours, bro. Time is money. So I mean, you're obviously gonna make like you're gonna save more money if you do it yourself, but it's a struggle, bro. It's a freaking struggle. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really mind it, but I just know a lot of people are gonna really struggle. Yeah, this exhaust claps way more. I'm just surprised that no one has made one. Like, I feel like Hellcats are so common, and Hellcats are like stupid loud. Like one of the loudest cars I've heard, straight piped. Why would no one make one? Like, I literally had to come up with my own exhaust to finally be able to get a valved Hellcat exhaust. Especially Chargers. For some reason, there's not a single exhaust on Chargers. Not a single valved one. I saw one for Challengers, but that's like Armatrix and that's it. Dude, I freaking love it. I love this freaking car now. Pops way more. Shoot, man, this car can pull. I still can't believe, guys, like till this day it's so weird. I don't know if because I'm just hella dissociated nowadays, but pretty much, bro, like I don't even realize, like sometimes I look back, I can't believe I had these cars, and it kind of sucks because I think it's because I'm hella dissociated, dude. I think like me working long hours, bro, like it made me like tune out of reality a little bit. But I guess that's kind of what it takes, bro. You gotta like kind of tune out. Gripping today, surprisingly. I must have actually warmed up my tires, bro, because it's actually gripping. Maybe if I put in sport mode. Actually, I kind of want it to grip. I don't want gosh, bro, that's so scary. Sounds so freaking freaky, dude. Another perfect freaking street. Gotta make sure I'm in the clear. Am I in the clear? Let's go. Bro, no signal too. That's crazy. Alright boys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. I hope you guys enjoy this exhaust. So if anyone gets this, bro, I hope you enjoy it. It's titanium. I had no problems so far. It's been like a week or two. Or no, it's been like 2 weeks now. And dude, it's still perfect. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.